Hey there! Let's check out what Navigator 365 can do in Viva Connections. Here's the Navigator 365 Viva Connections card. It gives you quick access to your search dashboards, both the ones your organization created and the ones you've made yourself. Click on Boards to see all available dashboards and select the one you want to open. This takes you straight to the Navigator 365 Teams app, where you can view all your boards. You can see your files in different views. We have the tile view, which is showing right now, but you can also switch to a regular list view or preview mode. By default, documents are displayed using your physical structure, sites, document libraries, and folders, but you can change this in settings. From here, you can search, check document properties, and open documents directly in Teams. You can also apply filters, which you can customize using Manage Properties. And here's what the plain view looks like, with no structure applied. The cool thing is you can use all the same features on your mobile device too. You can navigate to your board, view document properties, drill down to specific documents, search, and filter all from your phone. And switching between boards is just as easy. Now let's create a new board. We can choose between personal and common boards. Personal boards are just for you, while common boards are available for all users or specific target audiences. Let's select a source. The app will check your crawl index health, and we're ready to go. As you can see, our Contoso board appears here, and since we selected it as a personal, it shows a user icon. In the configuration settings, we can set target audiences for common boards. Now watch this. I've selected another user as a target audience, and one of the boards is no longer visible. These features are super useful for bringing focused search experiences to both your regular users and frontline workers, putting the information they need right at their fingertips.